how to use the data type date, how we can deal with the dates, what are the date functions unimportant. Yeah. So date related important functions and date manipulations we learned. So because when you are dealing with any data, how to manage date types. So date values need to be stored into memory, and we don't have any specific data type for date. Usually what we do is we use any type, and to store date value in memory, we use a date constructor that allocates date type memory. In that memory, date should be stored in this format. It should be stored in year, month, day format. And to read the date values, we have a set of date functions, and all these functions usually written in number. So we designed in such a way that we passed those numbers into array, which contains the string values for weekdays and months, and we are printing in a proper form. That is the basic thing we learned in the last session. Now, next important in the data types, how to represent and how to store the data. You need to understand about regular expression type. Regular expression type. So how we can handle regular expression? So what is a regular expression? How to deal with a regular expression? Actually, a regular expression is a pattern, use it to verify the format of input value. Technically, a regular expression is a pattern used to verify the format of input value. That means, so when user inputs a value, we can verify the format of input value by using regular expression. That means format means like email format, like mobile format, like URL format, like we have a custom password format. So that means technically regular expression is a pattern for the format of input value, verifying the format of input value. That means when user inputs any value, we verify whether it is according to the required format or not. That is done through regular expression actually. That means actually a pattern is built by using meta characters and quantifiers. Technically, a pattern is built by using meta characters and quantifiers. What are meta characters and what are quantifiers, and how to use them? Generally, if you are aware of JavaScript, this is very common thing. And remember, not only JavaScript, across any software technology in the world, these regular expressions are same. So that's the reason you have an idea in any technology how to deal with regular expression. Then this is not any new concept for you. In the same way, you can handle everywhere. Generally, people will know about this in basic of even HTML also, because even HTML have these patterns. Even HTML have these regular expression. Actually, HTML uses input type is equal to pattern. Sorry, input type is equal to text, and it have a pattern attribute. In the pattern attribute, it uses an regular expression. Actually, regular expression is used for verifying the input value, verifying the format of input value. Right? For example, we asked to enter email. So when we ask to enter email, we have to verify whether it is in a proper email format or not. That means according to email format, it should have an @ it should have a dot domain name, and they should be at proper positions. All such things can be verified by using regular expression. Actually, regular expression is built by using pattern, and pattern is built by using meta characters and quantifiers. What are meta characters and what are quantifiers? If already you are aware of these in JavaScript, that's very good. But here, one overview I will give you. What are the meta characters? Because we need to use them in our Angular regularly. And the important is client-side technologies are used with integration of server-side, mostly for a concept called validation. Validation is nothing but we verify whether the value is according to our requirement or not. And majority of validations are handled by using regular expressions. That's the reason we need to be perfect in that. And what are the meta characters? Let's see. So that means how we can build these meta characters and how to define this. First, we will understand what are meta characters, right? Let's see. And how do we define them? So actually, a pattern, so you can say that a regular expression is a combination of meta characters and quantifiers enclosed in double slash. So regular expression is a combination of meta characters and quantifiers enclosed in double slash. And in TypeScript, any type is used to store a regular expression. We don't have any specific data type again. We use any type for storing a regular expression. So TypeScript uses any type which is used to store a regular expression. And the regular expression in the memory is stored by using a representation enclosed in double